Route and transportation technology is growing by leaps and bounds, and in a very short time, we will be able to have these trucks and buses of the future on our streets daily. What are the futuristic trucks and buses to look out for? Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll show you the 10 futuristic trucks and buses to expect. But before we begin, consider subscribing to my channel and smash the bell icon to get tuned. Done. Now, let's begin. 1. Tesla Semi-Truck. The Tesla Semi is a fully electric Class 8 semi-trailer truck prototype, which was unveiled on November 16, 2017, and planned for production in 2019 by Tesla. Incorporated, the Tesla Semi-Truck has developed a futuristic design. The cabin offers a very aerodynamic line, with a large glass area that extends from the sides to the doors. Something that is striking about the Tesla Semi is the absence of rear-view mirrors. Tesla has removed them for aerodynamic reasons. Instead, it incorporates rear-mounted camera technology that sends visual cues to screens inside the cabin. Elon Musk has explained the aerodynamic characteristics of his Semi model, highlighting its smooth surface and extremely clean design. The truck is designed like a bullet. The Tesla Semi has a drag coefficient of 0.36, better than the Bugatti Chiron, which has a coefficient of 0.38. The aerodynamics help it achieve incredible range. With a payload of 80,000 pounds, Tesla claims acceleration time from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 20 seconds. Awesome. 2. Volvo VNL Truck. The Volvo VNL is built to meet the demands of long-haul trucking operations now and in the future. The VNL offers long-term effectiveness in addition to first-rate facilities and services. Even the most seasoned driver finds it challenging to see everything surrounding the vehicle when there is heavy traffic. Volvo Trucks provides its new safety system to help prevent stressful circumstances for the driver. The technology recognizes when other road users, such as bicycles, enter the danger zone using twin radars on each side of the truck. Beginning in September of this year, the new technology will be offered internationally on Volvo FH, FM, and FNX vehicles with diesel, gasoline, and electric drivelines. In 2023, the new safety system will be installed in Volvo FL and FE vehicles. 3. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. This concept vehicle has ushered in a new era for the transportation industry. It has entered the history books as the world's first self-driving truck. However, its futuristic concept is closer to reality than you think. In an era in which technology must be part of our lives, Mercedes-Benz surprises us once again with the development of an autonomous cargo truck, loaded with LEDs instead of headlights and cameras with digital displays instead of mirrors. The new Future Truck 2025 will change the trucking industry for one good reason: it drives itself. And its main quality is that its design helps the fuel yield up to 5% more. The fact that it does not have side mirrors, but cameras, helps to improve its aerodynamic capacity. The same goes for the lights. It features LEDs instead of headlights, and these change their hue from white to blue when autonomous driving is activated. However, the regulations state that cargo trucks must have both mirrors and headlights. Surely by the time the serial production part arrives, Mercedes will need to make some exceptions because every detail is designed for something in particular. 4. Freightliner Supertruck. After 5 years and $115 million in development, the Freightliner Supertruck is Daimler's answer to a lofty challenge set by the Department of Energy, which is to improve the fuel economy of semi-trucks by at least 50%. Although we have already told you about the truck concept that Mercedes-Benz has for 2025, this is a completely different vehicle that stands out for incorporating a series of technologies with the capacity to materialize in a closer time horizon. Among its differentiating features are the improvements in aerodynamics that are easily noticeable in the images, a renewed energy management system, the use of an intelligent propulsion system, and the use of a whole series of elements that further reduce fuel consumption. For example, the Supertruck is equipped with the automated DT12 transmission that the Western Star will mount in May and predictive technology that monitors vehicle speed through GPS and 3D digital maps. 5. Walmart Advanced Truck. Walmart displayed its futuristic truck at the Mid-America Trucking Show, MATS, in Louisville, Kentucky. The Advanced Vehicle Experience from Walmart is a tractor-trailer set with cutting-edge aerodynamics, a complex variety of turbine engines that expands the hybrid powertrain, and intelligent control. The Wave concept manages to cut its air resistance by 20% while providing the finest possible aerodynamics. This explains its pointed front, the windshield's small incline, and how everything flows up to the top. Simply by getting rid of the current outdated boxy designs, this design is guaranteed to save you a few gallons of fuel. The best, however, is inside. While the carpet upholstery and seating are both very 1980s, the driving position is more akin to a particular supercar from the 1990s. 6. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. 2 years after presenting its Future Truck 2025 autonomous truck project, Daimler has tested its future piloted bus, the so-called Mercedes-Benz Future Bus, capable of driving by itself in urban areas, in the city of Amsterdam, and open traffic up to a speed of 70 kilometers per hour, thanks to the so-called City Pilot system. The bus in question has traveled 20 kilometers along a section enabled, Schiphol-Haarlem, for the city's Bus Rapid Transit System, or BRT, making the corresponding stops, respecting traffic regulations, and picking up passengers as it passes. A driver was on board, monitoring the actions of the bus, but he did not have to use the steering, the accelerator, or the brakes on any occasion. The bus is 12 meters long and based on a Citaro, although with its exterior and interior design, is capable of stopping in the face of obstacles, pedestrians, or traffic, as well as at traffic lights, and can even go through tunnels, and of course, the closing and opening of doors for passenger boarding and alighting is done automatically. 7. Willy Transparent LCD Bus. At first glance, this prototype may look like any other bus, although what makes it different is its organic frame. The side panels that become transparent LCD screens, which contoured in all kinds of ways to create an impression of energy through the surface of the glass, which is the screen itself. In addition to advertising, when approaching the stop can show you a map with the route and travel times. The Willy bus may look like a normal bus, but it is not. Technology reaches this new vehicle concept that aims to be the future of public transport. The Willy bus is already in operation in some parts of the world and could become the best ally of advertising companies thanks to its innovative technique. 8. Iveco Truck Z. Iveco's latest prototype presented at the IAA in Frankfurt, the Iveco Z Truck, is a window into the future of heavy road transport. The Italian manufacturer has shown in this prototype the lines of research and development on which they focus to drastically improve the environmental impact of road transport, the reduction of effective time losses, and the increase in safety thanks to the latest advances in automated driving. The Iveco Z Truck first presents us with a new generation of propellants fueled by liquefied natural gas, specifically biomethane, to achieve a neutral emission factor. Added to this new plant is a redesign of the tanks and their systems to optimize aerodynamics, as well as better use of residual heat to reduce energy expenditure. Thanks to these improvements, Iveco Z Truck is capable of reaching autonomy of up to 2,200 kilometers. With autonomous driving systems, the possibility of an accident is reduced to a minimum, using telematics connections to know the state of the route in real time and report any minimal incident to be resolved as soon as possible. 9. Next future transportation. The first phase of Hufrost's idea would begin with the implementation of electric vehicles for public transport, to combine passengers with goods in the second phase. The winner of the its local competition brings us the city of the future, with a radical but realistic idea, which helps considerably to reduce congestion and pollution in the cities of the United Kingdom. The project revolves around the idea of reducing the number of private vehicles while increasing the number of public transport vehicles, such as buses and taxis. Reducing the number of private vehicles is not an innovative idea. It also creates a cargo network, an alternative to the traditional system, that serves the growing electronic market and prevents the uncontrolled growth of parcel services. In addition, this helps to persuade motorists of the advantages of switching to public transport due to its frequency and convenience of alternatives. 10. Volvo Electric Bus. Based on the new generation of electric buses from the Swedish manufacturer, A demo vehicle has arrived and has been developed to meet the specific needs of a climate of extreme heat. The first field test with the bus was carried out in Madrid last July with a temperature of 42 degrees. From now on, the main urban transport operators will be able to shoot it in a testing period to analyze it for future awards, to which the brand will be presented. The vehicle is a 100% electric bus. For the tests, it has been decided to have all the cargo on board. To do this, the slow night charge mode will be used in the garage through a plug. The total recharging time of the batteries is approximately 6 hours, depending on their capacity. This is because there will be two types of electric vehicles available that meet the requirements of our climate: 12 meters and 18 meters. And with the third generation of batteries, the standard bus will have an onboard load of 500 kilowatts and the articulated one will have 600 kilowatts. Following the three pillars of its business philosophy, which are safety, quality, and environmental protection, Volvo was the first manufacturer to launch the great challenge of eliminating non-electrified city buses from its production. It started marketing hybrid buses, then electric hybrids, and finally electric. It left out of its product portfolio both diesel and gas-powered vehicles. I hope you liked this video. If you did, kindly click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to smash the bell icon to get notified. See you in the next video. Thanks.